Hello, everybody. Good evening. Miss Bev is in the kitchen again, right? I it's been a while that I really had been coming into the kitchen. I did some curry chicken back one time with hard dough bread. I used to do that the cabbage with pak choy and callaloo and all of those good mixtures together combined. I used to do different little things, but sometimes it's just what it is. And so today I am home, guys. I'm giving thanks for this another day. I'm just hoping that all is well where you are. And, if it's not perfect as you would like it to be, just remember that there are no perfections anywhere, okay? Just remember that. If you remember each time that, you know what? Life happens. There's no perfection, and I'm going to just give thanks regardless. I just want us to practice a thankful heart. I know that when things happen, we can get through it. With my situation the other day, there was so much support from you guys. So much support because you understood. And I know that I'm not perfect, and I know that there's no perfection. And I know the job I have is hard. And I know that I've committed to do the best I can do each day. And I know that I've begged God to help me to never give up on a child. And I know so much. But there comes a time, as I said, you bring that bucket to the well every day, one day the bottom drop out, right? And so because we're human beings, things do happen. But when they happen and you reach out and people support you and encourage you and remind you that some things just happen because it's what it is, and remind you that you're human, and remind you that it's okay, then you know that the wind gathers under your wings and you soar again. And you move on from it. You don't hold it in and let it stifle you, but you move on and you continue to create fun memories. So today again, guys, I went, got my job done, give thanks for all things, and we move on. So I came home and I decided that, you know what? One more smoothie, guys. One more smoothie for us. And tonight I'm going to do the mango. I'm going to do mango. And I'm also going to do some banana with the mango. So tonight we're doing mango banana or banana mango, whichever one. Whichever one you think. So I'm going to do, I did wash my hands, guys. I never come in the kitchen and touch food without washing my hands. Didn't have to put it in the measuring cup, really. I'm just doing 2 small bananas. I could have cut it in the container. And I just hope that where you are, guys, all of you who are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And those of you, my old supporters from I started 2 years now, thank you for still being with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, genuinely appreciate you all. I so totally do. I enjoy reading your comments, and I know sometimes it brings tears to my eyes because the other morning after I posted the video, when I was reading some comments, like my eyes were wet. I wasn't bawling as I said, but I had to inhale and just be thankful. So that's 2 small bananas. And this right here looks like a whole big thing of mangoes. Not too ripe. I'm going to get it in right because the bananas are smushy. All right. And I'm going to use water from the water from the refrigerator is filtered. So I'm going to use it. And so, yes, I know you're looking at me. You see these big clothes, guys. Look, I still wear my big clothing, so don't think like things are going on. But look, I still wear these big things. I decided that, you know what, they're comfortable. I'm not just gonna run out to buy new things because I lost some weight, and I'm just enjoying it. So I wear them with my sandals, and I just go. I don't worry about stuff anymore. I just give thanks for all things. Yesterday, this embarrassed me. I was dying with laughter. Some of you were laughing with me. One of my friends, Jamaican, said, next time put warm water. So let's see today. I hope it releases when I'm ready. But yeah, so these might look big, guys, and look, let's see. It's a lot of space in my clothes right now. As I told you, I used to be wearing size 30, and I'm down to size 26. But I continue to wear these size 30 stuff. Just wear them. All right. So listen to the sound. Wait a minute. Come on, don't do this. Don't do this. Right? Yesterday I couldn't unopen it. Now I'm not sure why it is not. There is no reset button on this plug. Let me take this off and let me try it here. No. I don't know what's happened. I have no idea. The light is on, so okay. So we have options, right? We have options. So we're gonna unplug this. Bear with me, guys. Oh well. Now we have to bring out the big old blender. Let's see if it is. It's not the light because we have stuff plugged on. So let's see what's happening here. Okay. I'll do the warm water. Oh my God. Alright, so we learned something new. I was told to use the warm water, and it didn't even take long before it popped open. So let's try this one. I think this is going to be a great juice. If it's giving me so much trouble, it should turn out beautifully. And so that's also what life has given us, guys. Life has given us options, right? If something doesn't work, don't get mad. Don't give up. Just find another way. All right? Just find another way. Little things like these, you laugh out loud. They have your laugh out moments. And know that as you're building the memories, these are little things that will lift the burden, make the heart lighter, and just give you the hope. So my bullet probably did its last, the last smoothie the other day. I don't know what's going on, but I've had it for years. I received it as a gift. Long time, I think it was 2012. I received it as a gift. GNC, live well. And so if it's come to this now, it's okay. I've gotten many smoothies out of it. And so I might say goodbye to it because I don't know. It just seemed like it's burnt out. Now it's done. But I still got to make my smoothie, my people. All right, so, phew. That's cool as my smoothie, right? All right. So like that, these don't take too long. Tonight I'm not going to use my little upliftment canister. My brother is not here tonight, and Donnie is, so I'm just going to enjoy it. So that's our banana, our mango, and I probably leave some for Donnie. So here we go, guys. Cheers. So you get home from work, guys, and tonight, this is my dinner tonight because I had lunch today. I didn't fast the full day today. I had lunch. Not much lunch, but I had lunch enough, so I don't want to eat a heavy meal now. So it's not dieting, it's just going with the flow. So I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to sip on it. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing an art and craft thing with the kids. We're going to have Fun Friday. I really don't like Fun Fridays. I think that sometimes the kids, Fun Friday should be just the kids who come in every day and work hard. Then you give them a break on Friday. The kids who are rambunctious and who are consistently destructive and create such disruptions in the learning setting, I think that's enough fun for them. They should now be sitting down and learning something instead of getting a chance to go run up and down, play basketball, go in the gym, or, go dance or do something fun. But that's just me. I'm just a teacher. But I do believe that sometimes they say that I'm strict, they say I'm stern. But it's not. I just think that in our place here and where I am, for me, I don't like the handouts to children. I like that kids earn things, like you hold them accountable. It's not a bad thing to train up children that when they're older, these things are not strange to them, and they don't get frustrated when they get to a job and they say this is this and this is this. Is that they grew up the way they should grow, so that they have backbones and that they can make good decisions on their own. I don't like when we do too much for children. Children need to learn. Like some parents, they don't even teach a kid, say, it's okay to make your bed. Mommy's going to make up this bed, or daddy. It's not some special person job. Whoever gets up out the bed last, get the bed ready. Make the bed up. And if the kids see you doing it and you tell them to do it, they'll do it. Teach them the little things. And as they grow, you see them when they come to school, you see those who have chores at home because they're helpful and ready to help. And then you see those who, they just walk away. They don't push the chairs under the table back. They don't pick up the garbage they want to, and you have to call them back to say, hey, you hand them something, they just take it out your hand and walk away. No, thank you. They come to get a pencil or a pen, and there's no, may I borrow a pencil, please? Or it's I need a pencil. And you're saying, doesn't somebody teach you good manners? So guys, it's just what it is. So tomorrow, that is going to be our day. I think I'm going to be fasting tomorrow. And then I'll have dinner when I get home. I'll eat about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. So thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for caring. Thank you for understanding. And thank you for supporting me on this journey. So again, this is the one-stop shop. Miss Bev here with you. Please support me with subscribing, liking the videos, and leaving me your beautiful comments. Thank you, because you notice that we write, it's like not just a big up or thanks for sharing, but it is good conversation. That's what I call it. Good conversation. I may never meet any of you or know your faces, but I love the conversation. I love it. And your experiences might be different from mine, but that's what makes this world a great place where we can share things. And those of you who have similar situations like mine can understand things. And so I thank you for all things. Thank you. So here's to every one of you, my MVP family. Another night of smoothie, Miss Bev is in the kitchen. And cheers to you.